Could you tell us a little bit about what your life was like before the valves were placed?
I smoked for 42 years and I quit in 2015, and I couldn't even carry a gallon of milk up a flight of 3 stairs. And there was at nighttime I would lay in my bed, just pray to God that He'd take me, because I was gasping for air and I was even on oxygen, and I had no life. You know, my wife had to do everything for me. My grandbabies, I couldn't hold them. I couldn't take them for walks, do anything. Then I met Dr. Guerrera, and he said I was a candidate for it. Dr. Guerrera told me, hey, you did it yourself, but we can try to fix it. And he sure enough did. I mean, that same day, I was up walking around the nurses' stations and walking down the hall without oxygen. And since then, I'll tell you what, I've gone fishing with my grandbabies.
Okay, awesome.
The littlest one caught the biggest one, and she was so happy. And I'll tell you what, I had tears in my eyes, because I promised years that I would take them fishing. I finally got to be able to do it. It was like a miracle just to watch her eyes light up. I actually have life now.
Exactly.
Richard, if you had to say one piece of advice to patients thinking about this, what would you tell them?
I'd say go for it. It's a new life. I mean, I'm a perfect example. I took my grandbabies fishing 2 weeks ago. I was working for 8 months. I don't even use oxygen anymore.